know it, think it's funny, but I run it down with that fucking 5 that we spend on this block. Each double my age, but you talking shit. I just hide on these beats for fun. Fuck all you, y'all my sons. Yeah, bitch, but now that's over. I'm tryna fuck it from the back. Hold on, yeah, said I keep them stacked. Don't fuck on me, I better shit back. Yeah, I really ran his ass down with a G-Long hard.